Hey everyone, welcome to Error Genie. If you're facing the frustrating no network connection detected error while trying to play Black Ops 6, Warzone, don't worry. I've got you covered with this simple step-by-step guide. Let's dive in. Step 1. Retry the connection. When you see the error message, simply press the retry button. Sometimes this alone can resolve the issue. If it works, you're good to go. If not, move to the next step. Step 2. Restart the game Exit Warzone completely. Relaunch it from your console's home screen. This can refresh the connection and resolve minor bugs. If the error persists, proceed to the next steps. Step 3. Adjust network settings. Go to Network Settings. On your PlayStation, navigate to Settings, then Network, then Settings, then Set up Internet connection. Choose the connection you're using, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Change the Wi-Fi frequency band from automatic to either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. In the same menu, go to Advanced Settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Enter the following: primary DNS 1.1.1.1, secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Save your changes and exit. Restart your console. Turn off your console, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Open Warzone and check if the issue is resolved. Bonus tips. Check server status. Sometimes Warzone servers may be down. Check the official server status or forums. Test your internet speed. Ensure your connection is stable with enough bandwidth to play the game. Wired connection. If possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable experience. That's it. One of these steps should fix the no network connection detected error in Warzone. If this guide helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting tips from Error Genie. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.